Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make easy microwave cookies. First, gather your essential ingredients like all-purpose flour, granulated sugar, a pinch of salt, and a leavening agent. You'll also need butter, milk, and your favorite mix-ins, such as chocolate chips. Make sure all your ingredients are at room temperature for easier mixing and a smoother dough. This preparation ensures a perfect start to your quick treat. Now let's get mixing. In your microwave-safe bowl, cream together the softened butter and sugar until light and fluffy. Then gradually add your dry ingredients, mixing until just combined. Overmixing can lead to a tough cookie, so stop as soon as the flour disappears. Finally, gently fold in your chosen mix-ins, like chocolate chips, for a delightful texture. It's time to microwave your delicious dough. Place 1 or 2 small cookie dough balls into your microwave-safe dish, ensuring they have space. Microwave on high for about 30 to 60 seconds, depending on your microwave's power. The cookie should look slightly set around the edges but still soft in the center. Let it cool for a minute or two. It will continue to cook and firm up. Once your cookies are perfectly cooked, let them cool for just a minute or two before enjoying. They'll firm up slightly as they cool, giving you that ideal chewy texture. Feel free to add a sprinkle of sea salt, a drizzle of melted chocolate, or a scoop of ice cream for an extra special treat. For more great tips and other deals, check the description below, including a book that can truly change how you think about money. Enjoy your delicious, homemade microwave cookies.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.